Okay, what does muscle do? It contracts, that's it. There's skeletal muscle, which is voluntary muscles, cardiac muscle found only in the heart, smooth muscle found in the gut, and blood vessels. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, so there's only three types of muscle tissue: skeletal, voluntary muscle, heart muscle, and the smooth muscle that moves materials in your digestive system and is involved in moving blood and regulating blood flow. We went back, let's keep going. So skeletal muscle cells are long fibers, loose connective tissue holds them together, contain many nuclei controlled by the nervous system, and they move and stabilize the skeleton. So this is skeletal muscle tissue. It's long fibers with these lines. These lines that are perpendicular to the long axis of the cell. So these form basically a 90-degree angle with the long axis of the cell. This is voluntary muscle. It's multinucleate, and we'll learn later in the class how these long fibers contract. As I said, cardiac muscle is only found in the heart. The fibers are branched and shorter than skeletal muscle. Single nucleus, they are striated. The heart beats involuntarily. It's obviously the heart's going to maintain blood circulation and blood pressure. So cardiac muscle cells usually have one nucleus. The fibers are branched and they have intercalated disc or gap junctions that allow electrical current to flow rapidly between cells so that the heart can beat, and the electrical current stimulates the muscle cells of the heart to contract. Smooth muscle look like little cigars. They don't have striations. I said they were found in blood vessels and digestive organs. They're also found in your urinary bladder and your uterus. So involuntary contraction, your digestive system, at the end of a meal, you don't have to go digest and concentrate on your digestive system, like your stomach and small intestines. It's involuntary. The uterus is controlled by the birth process. As your bladder gets more and more fluid, it stimulates you to empty it. Blood vessels, smooth muscle cells help control the diameter of blood vessels and control blood flow. Sometimes smooth muscle constricts. So say it's really cold outside, the smooth muscle in blood vessels will shut the vessels that are close to your skin, because when it's cold, you don't want the blood flowing close to your skin, because that will radiate much heat and you will lose much heat in a cold situation. So smooth muscle cells are little cigars pinched at the end, and their job is to work in the digestive system, blood vessels, uterus, and urinary bladder. They have one nucleus per cell, and they are involuntary. Either the digestive system, your uterus, if you have one, your blood vessels, and your urinary bladder respond to local conditions and function. Okay, let's stop there.